capsule will only be open after 5 decades or 50 years.
To all the relatives po ng family ng client natin, the Cipriano family, we welcome you po on this very historic event.
This team who never ceases to assist me in all the things that I'm not familiar with, for always replying to my messages even though it's 2 a.m. For treating us not only as a client, but a family. Thank you so much for everything. Today, I call them our RQ family.
RQ, kay ganda ng gawa with heart and faith, bawat tahanan may silbi. RQ, tatagatisin yung totoo. The Lord is our foundation, our core and flow.
Alam ko po yung family nyo talagang nag-isip, sino ba ang gagawa, sino ang magde-design ng bahay namin, sino ang makakatulong namin sa pagtupad ng aming pangarap. At mahalaga po, ma'am, yung pagtitiwala. Yung pagtitiwala ninyo, Ma'am Lenny, Ma'am Kelly, ng buong family, malaking bagay po ito sa buhay ng RQ Design and Build.
RQ, kay ganda ng gawa with heart and faith, bawat tahanan may silbi.
Our goal is to create a new, functional and modern family home for the client.
Foundation, our core and flow. Cut drawings,
Gusto lang po sabihin na thank you kasi nakailang draft po tayo ng bahay. Dahil sa mga gusto po namin i-put doon na design. Yeah, thank you po sa patience nyo and assurance po sa amin ni Mami ko. Yun lang.
where hearts belong. RQ, kay ganda ng gawa with heart and faith, bawat tahanan may silbi. RQ, tatagatisin yung totoo. The Lord is our foundation, our core and flow. RQ,
Lord God, may this home be blessed abundantly with so much love, happiness, peace, and harmony among us, until the moment I have my own grandchildren. We will promise to build lots and lots of memories in this lovely home. Thank you so much, Lord. To God be all the glory.
tatagatisin yung totoo. The Lord is our foundation.
RQ Design and Build. The Lord is our foundation.